Hi everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show you my recently created temperature converter web app. If I show you by opening it in a live server, here we can write our the temperature, means the normal body temperature is 37 Celsius. Here you can select Fahrenheit, Kelvin, okay, and click on this is button convert, and if you click on this you can see the output. 37 Fahrenheit is 98.6 and Kelvin is 310. So if I write here 98.6 and change it to Fahrenheit, it will show again Celsius, Fahrenheit and Kelvin again. I choose here 98.6, again the same result. If I change it mean Celsius, mean if I change it to 50 and click on convert, so you can see 50 Fahrenheit is 122 and Kelvin 323. And if I change it to 555, it's changing. This is HTML file. Here is my style.css file. I use the blue color for background and white color for text, and for output I use background color black and text is white. There are basic functions, basic formulas to find or calculate the temperature. So this is our very basic website or web app 44, and there is Fahrenheit, Kelvin. So this is my third and last task for Oasis Infobyte internship program. Thanks for watching guys. We'll see you in the next video.